Look, this is Germany in 1923. People were actually using banknotes to paper walls and to start fires. The German mark had become worthless. So worthless, people wouldn't even consider using it as toilet paper. Prices were doubling on average every 2 days. The annual inflation rate reached 1.5% times 10 to the 56th power. This is Zimbabwe in 2008. At that time, they printed their most famous banknote. Look, you can't even count all the zeros on it. It was 100 trillion Zimbabwean dollars. Prices were doubling on average every 24.7 hours. The annual inflation rate reached 7.3% times 10 to the 108th power. Can you imagine that? Well, I can't. And this is Hungary in 1946. Prices were doubling on average every 15.6 hours. And the annual inflation rate? 7.5% times 10 to the 170th power. These might seem like jokes to us now, but at the time, it was an absolute disaster for these economies. In 2022, the United States, the European Union, and the United Kingdom suddenly experienced a surge in inflation, making it once again a main theme in the global economy. Why does inflation occur? If inflation is so frightening, why do some economists say it's good? It sounds so simple, but why is it so difficult to control? So in this video, let's discuss inflation in a way that's both easy and fun, yet insightful. Inflation refers to the depreciation of money, or that of a currency. The most common measuring indicator is called the CPI, which stands for Consumer Price Index. It basically measures the price trends of goods and services that we use regularly. Look, this is the CPI of the United States. 60 years ago, it was around 29, and now it's 296. This absolute number actually doesn't mean much on its own. But when you compare it, you'll understand that the prices in the United States are roughly 10 times what they were 60 years ago. This means that $1 from 60 years ago is approximately equivalent to $10 now.